Hello everyone, my name is Kenzo Jet B. Magpala. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you about preprocessor directives and C. An essential part of writing efficient, clean and portable code. We'll discuss that processor directives are, how they work, and why we use them. Then I'll demonstrate some practical example in a simple C program. Okay, let's begin. Preprocessor directives are lines in a C program that begin with a hashtag symbol. They are instructions given to compiler before the actual compilation begins. They do not end with a semicolon. Here's our directives allow us to include external files, define constant and macros, conditionally compile parts of the program, and here are the full demonstration of full code. Number one is include forgot the S. And yeah, that's it. And the function of this column is to allows the program to use printf and other input-output function, and it imports the standard input-output library. And the next column is define another column for define square it. And the function of this column and the two columns is this one is to create a constant name pi with the value 3.14, and the compiler replaces pi with 3.14 before compiling. Okay, and for this column is to creates a macro function that calculates the square of number. Example, these are the example. I give you the example. Square. Example 5. And becomes a. It will become 5. Right. Yeah, that's it. And for the next column is So the function of this column 7 is to set the radius of circle to 5. Yeah. And this column is straight. Float. Float area. PI. Square. Wait. Caps lock. Square. And radius. It. And the function of this column is to compute the area of the circle of using the formula. Oops, what's wrong about this? Yeah, that's it. And for the next column is printf. Oops. Oops. Printf. And this. Radius. That's it. And the function of this column is printf radius, right? It prints the value of the radius on the screen because of printf and radius, etc., etc. And oops, for the next column is another printf, of course, another printf. And this is debug mode, okay? Debug mode. Equal another, oops, this way, oops, another person. it. And the function of this column is it's to print it prints the calculated. Yeah. That's it. Again, I'm Kenzo Jet B. Magpale. Thank you for watching.